In this video we're doing a SoFi Personal Loan honest review to see what it offers, its pros and cons, and whether it's worth it. SoFi provides unsecured personal loans ranging from a few $1,000s up to $100,000, with repayment terms between 2 and 7 years. The application is fully online, and you can check your rates without affecting your credit score. For many borrowers, funding can arrive the same day. The strengths of SoFi are clear. Rates can be very competitive if you have good credit and income, often lower than many traditional lenders. There are no origination fees, late fees, or prepayment penalties, which sets it apart from many competitors. Borrowers also get flexible repayment options and access to member perks like career coaching and financial planning tools. But there are limits. Approval requirements are strict. You generally need strong credit and steady income. Applicants with weaker credit histories may be denied or offered higher rates. And while many borrowers praise SoFi's transparency and benefits, others report issues with customer service or rate adjustments. So, is it worth it? If you have solid credit and want a loan with no hidden fees and flexible terms, SoFi is one of the better options available. But if your credit is shaky, approval may be difficult, and you could face higher costs elsewhere. Always compare real offers, not just advertised rates, before making a decision. Subscribe for more honest tech and finance reviews.